So today's mission is to ignore instructions and do what I want to do. So we got 6 little girls or boys here from the brooder, and they're about to go to their brand new home. So we moved it over a little more to the shade, and I gotta say, those are much better boots.
Come on, baby boys. Come on. Yeah. Come on.
So I just climbed that tree right there and came down with this pretty decent gnarly stick. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this through there for them so they have something to sit and perch on. Those boots. So we just put down some oyster shells for the little chickies. So it seems as though they really like it. They like being inside the little crab barrel there. And eventually they'll make their way over to the food and oyster shells. But we'll continue to watch them and we'll check on them again tomorrow. But for now, that's my time. And as always, peace. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.